What if I told you that the most frustrating part of gardening could be eliminated forever? That's right. No more wrestling with tangled hoses, no more backbreaking, coiling, and no more dragging heavy hoses across your yard. I place my garden 100 feet from my house, and for years I've suffered through the exhausting ritual of hauling my hose out and back every single time. It was destroying my enjoyment of gardening until I discovered this solution that changed everything. Stay tuned to see exactly how this innovative system works, and later in the video, I'll reveal the ingenious way I installed this that saved me hours of weekly gardening maintenance. If you've ever spent precious gardening time untangling hoses, carrying heavy coils across your yard, or struggling with manual reels that jam constantly, you know the frustration. Traditional solutions only solve part of the problem. They might help with storage, but you're still left with the manual labor of cranking and coiling. The problems compound when you have distant garden beds like mine, creating a constant battle that takes away from what matters, actually growing your plants. Today, we're looking at the VagoGarden retractable hose reel, which completely transforms how you manage water in your garden. What makes this system exceptional is its auto-retraction feature. No cranking, no struggle, just a gentle pull, and it automatically reels itself in. The set includes the main reel unit, a versatile mounting bracket, 2 types of spray attachments, a multi-pattern sprayer for different watering needs, and a straight stream nozzle for distant watering. But what I'm most excited to show you is how this system adapts to different garden layouts, whether your garden is right next to your house or like mine, a considerable distance away. Setting up the VagoGarden system is straightforward, starting with unboxing these components: the reel base, attachment fittings, and the mounting bracket. You have multiple mounting options: direct home mounting using the included hardware, concrete mounting which requires drilling and anchors, and my personal choice, a fence post installation. For my fence post method, I simply used a hand auger to create a hole in the ground. Inserted a standard fence post, pre-drilled holes for the mounting bracket, secured the bracket with a socket set in the included hardware, and slid the reel onto the bracket. It's that simple. There's even a security hole at the bottom if you want to lock your reel in place. If you're ready to transform your gardening experience like I have, VagoGarden is offering a special discount for our channel viewers. Use promo code BESTGardenChannel10OFF for 10% off your purchase. You'll find the link in the description below to take you directly to their website. Trust me, this is an investment in your gardening enjoyment that pays dividends with every use. But before you go, let me show you why this system has completely changed my gardening routine. Remember that teaser about how this solved my 100-foot garden problem? Here's the genius part. By mounting the reel in a central location, I've created a hub for all my watering needs. For my patio plants and nearby fruit trees, I simply extend what I need and water precisely where required. For my distant garden beds, I can connect it directly to a drip system for automated watering. Use the spray attachment for manual watering of specific plants, and this is the game changer. When it's time to mow the lawn, I can completely retract the hose in seconds instead of spending 15 minutes coiling and moving it. The 180-degree rotation means you can water in any direction without kinking or tangling it. And the automatic retraction ensures the hose is always properly stored, extending the lifespan considerably. Whether you're a casual gardener or a serious grower, this system adapts to your specific layout and needs. The VagoGarden retractable hose reel has transformed my gardening experience from one of frustration to pure enjoyment. No more tangled hoses, no more heavy lifting, and significantly more time actually tending to my plants. The combination of easy installation, versatile application, and automatic retraction makes this a must-have for anyone serious about optimizing their gardening experience. Remember to use code BESTGardenChannel10OFF for your discount, and check the description for the direct link. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to growing with you in our next video. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening solutions that save you time, effort, and money.